X and O. Okay. X and O. So both will be playing to each other. It is a 3x3 matrix. In this space, they'll be playing. And what will happen is, either at the end of the day, either X will win or zero will win. That is O will win. So until anybody is winning or losing, they'll be continued to played. So what will happen is, what is the winning state? Tell me when they'll be considered as winning. If they are able to arrange their X diagonally, all three diagonals or horizontal or vertical. Similarly, vice versa for O. Is it clear what is this game?
Okay. Yes.
So this is how to solve your XO problem. Like how we solved your 8% problem. This is how to solve. Any problem is given in tic-tac-toe. Suppose they may give, any random initial state. Okay. So whatever given in the problem is the initial state. And, you have to find if sometimes they'll give goal state. Okay. So for example, here also not goal state. Okay. So here if you have seen, in this problem, they have given initial state. Okay. This initial state they were given. They are asking you to play this game or represent all its states until you are reaching this goal state. Okay. Which means once after playing, exposing or exploring all the states from this initial state, whenever you reach this state, you can stop your representations. Okay. Either they will give this initial state and until they may also give a goal state, try to achieve the goal state. Otherwise, they may give only this initial state and they may ask you to, play until end of the game and to represent, different, different results with all state explorations. Okay. So how to do this is, how to play is, okay, this is the initial state they given. First turn will be for XO. First player is XO. Assume that, okay, sometimes they may be giving who's playing first, who's playing next in the problem. Or if they don't give means, you can just assume first X is playing or O is playing. Many times they'll assume X is the first player. So assume that this steps, this entire row is for X playing. Once X is played, who will be the next turn would be for O. Okay. This entire row is for O. Similarly, the next row should be X. Okay. Until all the, all the states should be explored, you have to keep expanding this. Okay. Likewise, alternatively, X and O should play. Okay. So first, if you take this initial state, who's playing? Assume that X is playing. Okay.
It's 8
How
o'clock.
X can play? In realistically, while you are playing, you may put your X here or somewhere in these three empty boxes. Okay. But while you are representing as a problem in AI, okay, you have to explore all the possibilities. So where and all X is possible? You can just put your X here, so you frame one state, or you can put your X here also, then represent its states, and you can put X here as well and represent its states. Okay, so these three possible options are possible, right? Similarly, who's next step? O. Okay, so from this, where and all O is possible? For this particular state, O is possible on two different states, two different options. Yes. Similarly, for this, how many options for O? How many options for O? O can be played here, O can be played as well. So two different options. Similarly, here, how many O's option? Here can be played, here can be played. Okay. So represent O is being here and represent states. O is being here, represent states. So write all its possible states. Next turn is whose turn? After O is played, next turn is whose turn?
X.
X turn. So X has got only one empty cell is possible. Okay. So X can be played only here. So similarly here X can be played here and X can be played here. And here X can be played here, X can be played here, X can. Further, is there any expansion possible? Further, any expansion is possible?
No.
No. With this itself, we can conclude the game by what? So now you tell me here, it leads to where? So if you played this way, in this way, okay, from this initial state, if you follow this path, it leads to this, so that it leads to what? Is it X is winning anywhere? This particular first one.
No.
No, X is not winning because X not in order either diagonally or horizontally or vertically. So similarly O also. So neither O is winning nor X is winning. So it's lead to a draw. Okay. So this one, what it leads to? X. Here who's winning?
No one is winning.
No one is winning. No one is winning here.
See that?
X is winning, no?
X in the bottom row.
Yeah. See here, all win represented, right? So this win in terms of X. Okay. See, for example, CSK and RCB is playing. You may be rooting for any one of them are going to win or lose. Okay. At the end of the day. But whenever somebody is watching the game,